Welcome student. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical reaction and its type. First of all, see what is meant by chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a reaction in which breaking of old bond and formation of new bond takes place. Such a reaction is a chemical reaction. Now, chemical reactions are classified into two types. First type is photochemical reaction. Second one is dark reaction, and it is also called as a thermal reaction. Now, see one by one. First of all, photochemical reaction. In previous period, we come to know that photochemical reaction is a reaction which is initiated due to absorption of light. Means the chemical change takes place due to absorption of light. Again, further in photochemical reaction, due to absorption of light means immediately after absorption of light, first step of photochemical reaction takes place. That is the primary photochemical reaction. Okay, later on second step, that is a secondary photochemical reaction. Okay, now in this way, this is about the photochemical reaction. Now the second one, that is the thermal reaction. Thermal reaction are induced or initiated other than the absorption of light. Means there is no absorption of light. These reactions are taken place due to the temperature or due to the concentration of the reactant or due to the presence of the catalyst. Such reactions are called as dark reactions or thermal reaction. Now examples. First of all, see the examples of photochemical reaction. Now first example of photochemical reaction is the reaction of the decomposition of hydrogen bromide. This hydrogen bromide decomposes to gives hydrogen plus bromine. This reaction takes place due to absorption of light. That's why it is a photochemical reaction, and this light is from UV visible region. And second example, that is the conversion of fumaric acid into malic acid. Means fumaric acid is converted into malic acid due to the absorption of light. That's why this reaction is called as a photochemical reaction. And this last example, that is hydrogen plus chlorine gives twice HCl. This reaction takes place in the presence of light. That's why formation of hydrogen chloride from hydrogen and chlorine in the presence of UV light is the best example of photochemical reaction. Now see dark reaction, that is thermal reaction. Now example, formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. Means N2 plus thrice H2 gives NH3. This reaction is a thermal reaction or dark reaction. This reaction takes place other than the absorption of light. And second example, decomposition of phosphorus pentafluoride PCl5 on decomposition gives PCl3 plus Cl2. And the next example of this reaction is formation of hydrogen iodide from hydrogen and iodine. H2 plus I2 gives twice Hi. This reaction is also a thermal reaction. Now these are the examples of photochemical reaction, and these three are the examples of dark reaction, that is thermal reaction. Now see difference between the photochemical reaction and dark reaction. Now, photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction are the reactions which are initiated by the absorption of light from UV visible region. Here, the light is absorbed which is required for the reaction, and this absorption of light takes place from UV visible region. Okay. On the other hand, in the thermal reaction, there is a collision between the molecules of the reaction. Means collision of the reacting species or the reactant takes place and the reaction proceeds or carried out. Such reactions are thermal reaction. Now, photochemical reaction. Second difference, photochemical reactions are slow reactions. These reactions takes place slowly. These dark reactions are fast reaction. Now, third difference, that is photochemical reaction. This photochemical reaction are the reactions in which the free energy of the molecule increases. Here, there is increase in the free energy. Increase in free energy of the molecules. Free energy of molecules. Okay, in free energy of the molecules increases means this delta G is greater than 0. That is, these reactions are non-spontaneous. That's why there is increase in the free energy. Now, opposite to this, here there is decrease in the free energy of the molecule takes place. Decrease in free energy of the molecule takes place. Now, fourth difference, that is in photochemical reaction, the photochemical reactions are complex in nature. These reactions are complex in nature. Photochemical reactions are complex in nature. Complex in nature means these reactions proceeds through the formation of intermediate. Means in photochemical reaction, first step is primary photochemical reaction, free radicals are formed. In second reaction, that is second step, the products of a primary photochemical reaction acts as a reactants, and second step carried out, that is propagation, that is the secondary photochemical reaction. In this way, in photochemical reaction, what happens? Intermediates are formed. That's why the reaction is complex in nature. And last difference between photochemical reaction and the dark reaction is that the rate of photochemical reaction is independent on the temperature. What? The rate of the reaction is independent on the temperature. Because this reaction is initiated due to absorption of light, means the rate of reaction depends upon the intensity of incident light. That's why independent on the temperature. On the other hand, the rate of dark reaction is depend on the temperature. Dependent on temperature.